What if I told you that the high-end ad campaign is only a laptop and a stable connection away? No production crew, no overpriced gear, just 30 minutes of your time. Today, I'm stripping back the curtain and sharing the secret sauce in 4 simple steps, showing you how to generate high-converting video assets while finally killing the nightmare of character consistency. We've all been there spending hours trying to create consistent characters across multiple videos, only to end up with a model whose look shifts and changes every time you hit generate. It's literally the most frustrating part of content creation. But VIDU AI changes everything with its advanced character consistency technology and lightning fast video generation that actually understands what you're trying to create. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build a complete ad campaign from scratch, create consistent virtual models that look professional, and transform simple prompts into scroll-stopping video content. I've got the link to VIDU AI in the description below so that you can follow along step by step. Step 1. Accessing the ultimate AI video engine. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, getting into VIDU AI and seeing what this platform can actually do. When I first logged into the interface, I was struck by how streamlined everything was compared to other clunky AI tools. I actually spent the first 10 minutes just realizing how much faster my workflow was going to be with these features. Let me walk you through exactly how to get started. First, head to the VIDU AI platform and create your account. You can use a Google account, email account, or Apple ID. The dashboard is super clean and intuitive. You'll see the platform offers so many tools for video generation, image generation, or even editing tools like AI Video Remaker or AI Video Editor. Here's what most people don't know: you don't actually need a subscription to start creating. VIDU AI gives you daily free credits just for watching a few ads and finishing tasks, which means you can generate professional video assets without spending a single dime. It's like having a limitless production budget built right into the platform. Now, let's jump into the step that will unlock your access to the future of ad creation. Step 2. Designing your virtual model from scratch. Now here comes my most exciting part, creating a virtual model that actually looks consistent across every single video. When I designed my first character, the AI generated options that were so realistic, I literally had to do a double take. I was totally obsessed with how professional everything looked. Here's the step-by-step process for character creation. From the homepage, click Generate Image in the left sidebar. Then we will see the main creation page. We can click on Text to Image. Now you can write a detailed prompt to create your virtual model. So I will write this: headshot portrait of a cute Korean girl, fair skin, soft glowing lighting, natural makeup, straight long hair, gentle expression, pastel background, dreamy atmosphere, K-beauty style, high detail, photorealistic. We can scroll down and click on the model, select Nano Banana Pro for high quality output. On the resolution, pick 4K and then select the aspect ratio that fits you. Now hit create. After it's generated, you'll see the result on the right side of your screen. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on the recreate button and write your prompt again. Once you have the fixed virtual model, we can continue by clicking the image and hitting add to my ref. After that, fill in the name of your virtual model. Then hit next. Now you can review their generated description and click confirm. From here on out, you have a character reference locked into the system, ready to use in any scene without the hassle of manual uploads. Here's what most people don't know: you can actually create multiple characters for the same campaign, and the AI will maintain consistency for all of them. I created a main model and a customer testimonial character, and they appeared perfectly consistent across 6 different videos. Now that your virtual model is looking flawless, it's time to bring her to life. Let's move to step 3 and watch her transform from a static image into the face of your next viral ad. Step 3, transforming prompts into winning ads. Now here comes my most powerful part, turning simple ideas into scroll-stopping video content that actually converts. When I wrote my first prompt, the AI created a 30-second ad that looked like it cost thousands to produce. I literally couldn't believe how professional the final result was. To start creating our ad, we can head to the reference to video feature and add your virtual model. For this, I'm going to use the same virtual model photo as my reference. You can even upload images of your actual product or a specific scene by clicking on the images. So here, I'll upload my product image. Then we can write a simple prompt like this: a young female influencer applying a glossy pink lip tint, close up on lips, smiling warmly at the camera. Natural indoor lighting, casual aesthetic bedroom background, high quality UGC style, seamless transition from pale lips to hydrated glowing lips. Next, we can adjust the settings like the AI model, duration, resolution, creation mode, aspect ratio, and the amount of generation. After that, hit create and you've got a professional on-brand video ad in seconds. Alternatively, to compare the results, let's move to the one-click video generator. Here we can upload our product image and also our virtual model. We can continue by writing the prompt and making sure it's simple but effective. I will write, create a short e-commerce video ad for a lip tint. Show pale lips transforming into natural glowing lips after application. Highlight, lightweight, long-lasting, non-sticky. Soft beauty aesthetic, close-up shots, smooth transitions. After that, we can select the e-commerce ad on scenario selection. Pick the aspect ratio and output duration. Since we're aiming for a global vibe, I'm selecting English for the voice. Then we can hit create. In less than 5 minutes, you'll have a high quality video ad ready to go. Now, let's compare the results. While the one-click generator gives you a fantastic commercial almost instantly, reference to video really wins for authenticity. It keeps the face 100% consistent and gives off a much more natural, true UGC vibe. So if you need speed, go with one click, but for strict brand consistency and a true UGC feel, reference to video is definitely your best choice. Here's what most people don't know. You can actually specify camera angles and transitions in your prompts. Writing, start with a close-up, then pull back to show the full product, gives you way more control over the final video than just describing the content. It looks great, right? But I'm going to show you how to double the quality and sharpen every single detail in just one click. Step 4 is where the real magic happens. Step 4, transforming AI video into premium ads. Now here comes my most satisfying part, taking those AI-generated videos and turning them into campaign-ready content that actually drives results. When I exported my first finished ad, the quality was so high that people literally asked me which production company I used. The whole process took less than 5 minutes per video. Here's exactly how to polish your content for maximum impact. First, click on your generated video and you'll see options to upscale. Hit that button. After that, you can select video resolution. I will pick 4K here. Then we can click on create. Once the video is ready, we can click on the download button and select to download without a watermark to export it to our device. Let's talk numbers for a second. If you hired a professional video production team for a campaign like this, you're looking at anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000. If you try to learn traditional video editing and character animation, you'd spend months just figuring out the basics. With VIDU AI, you're getting professional quality results for less than your monthly coffee budget. I know what you're thinking. Is this just going to be another generic AI video? Well, because we're using VIDU's character reference technology, we're achieving a level of consistency and realism that makes it look like a high-budget studio shoot with a real model. But what if it can't match my specific brand style? That's why the e-commerce ad scenario is a game changer. It's specifically trained to recognize your brand assets and lighting requirements, ensuring every frame stays perfectly aligned with your professional aesthetic. And for those wondering, what if the characters look fake or robotic? VIDU's latest motion engine ensures fluid, natural movements that kill the uncanny valley vibe for good. Lastly, if you're thinking, I'm not tech savvy enough to do this, trust me. If you can type a prompt in ChatGPT, you can master this workflow in minutes. Here's the thing, VIDU AI's character technology is so advanced that the results look completely natural. The platform is designed for beginners, so you don't need any technical experience. The benefits are immediate and game-changing. You'll have a complete ad campaign ready in under an hour instead of weeks. Ready to transform your marketing game? The link to VIDU AI is in the description below. Click it, create your account, and start building your first campaign today. Join thousands of creators who are already using AI to level up their content. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that'll keep you ahead of the curve. Trust me, once you experience this level of creative control, you'll never go back to the old way of doing things. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.